Welcome to Snug Notes. This is Tarina. Today we're going to be doing a project share. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to call it yet, but basically we've got a 3x4 mini notebook with candy attached. It just comes off. It's Velcro. It's looks like a little jar of candy. It says Adventures Out There. So the notebook is a pretty standard loaded notebook, but then we've got this Velcro. See that? So it contains your candy. The only downside is I think that once you're a recipient, I think it's a one and done. I don't know that it's something they would be able to reuse. But how fun is that to get candy with your notebook? I am thinking more children as gifts, but I'm sure adults love candy too. So Adventures Out There, this is definitely more aimed for kids. You are the coolest. We got our vellum, got our paper clip and tool. We've got, this is a space one, so we've got some stars, constellation. It says, you are my moon and stars. Got some little treasures in here. We've got another little mason jar and some tag. We've got this tag. Got some space rock. Look up at the stars, not down at your feet. Got some stickers here. Another little tag. Got a belly band. The kit's called Blast Off from Echo Park. Another little constellation, maybe the Big Dipper, the Little Dipper, I'm not sure which one. Some planets. Got a little dinosaur. We've got some more ephemera here. Little tags. Got our last tag there. Another sticker. So this one's loaded. It's got everything. And then we've got our little vellum envelope, and the back says Born to Rule the Galaxy. So this does have those little Velcro dots. Can you see them? That's because they're pretty hidden. It's the clear ones. This side has the color. So they just go right on there. Once they eat their candy, they've got their notebook. How fun is that? And then this one, little dog bones in there. Forever Friends. This is a, it is from the collection Pets by Echo Park. So we've got Forever Friends. How cute is that, the dog bones? Only my dog knows me so well. We've got our vellum, paper clip and tool, Fur Mama. Life is better with a pet. Hello, friend. Got our little tags, bad to the bone. Little sticker. Little dog. Got some more of these. I love my pets. Little dog bone there. Kiss your dog goodnight. You had me at woof. Some of these. Forever Friends. And our last tag. Anybody notice how those tags were so short? Fire hydrant, because you need that. Yes, it's a dog book. And then our vellum envelope. And then love is a four-legged word. Forever Friends. There's the two Velcros. And it just goes right on there. So yeah, that's the two of them. I hope you enjoyed watching this project share. We will be having a tutorial on this, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching.